How to change Facebook name. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to change your Facebook name, then you have come to the right place. Now, what you're gonna do is first of all, open Facebook app on your device. Then, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see the messenger icon. And just below it, you can see a three bar option. Click on it. After that, scroll to the bottom of the page and then over here, you can see the options setting and privacy. Go there and then go to the option settings. After that, in the first option, you can see account center. Click on it. Then you'll be presented with various options over here. Just go to the top and go to the profiles. Now select your Facebook account which you want to change the name of. Then you will see name, username, profile picture and avatar. Go to name. Then you can change your first name, middle name and last name as shown over here. Then go to review change. Then it will be changed. Or you can also change your username, profile picture or avatar from over here. So this is how you can change your name on Facebook. So thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.